Good morning. Today we are going to study chapter 3 of class 12, human reproduction, and the first topic to be studied in this chapter is structure of male reproductive organ. Dear student, the diagram of male reproductive organ has so many. Actually, this is an organ system. So it contains a lot number of different organs. We must have to learn the structure as well as the function of each and every part for the examination point of view. Here first of all you can understand these two where I have written one. One represents ureter. Ureter are the two tubular structure originated from kidney, because kidney is the site of formation of urine. So ureter will bring the urine from the kidney. It joins with the urinary bladder. It is number 2. This circular or conical structure is urinary bladder. Here I have written number 2, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder stores the food, stores the urine. Here in this way the urine comes from the urinary bladder, from the kidney, and enters into the urinary bladder by this way. In the urinary bladder there is a combination of urine as well as the vas difference. This two tubular structure, this is urinary bladder, is not a part of reproductive system, but urinary bladder here explained because it is a part associated with that. In human male there is only one copulatory organ, and that copulatory organ also work for the excretion of urine, uric acid, etc. We are ureotelic animals. Here in the male reproductive organ we have to start through the testes. First of all, these two, left and right, there are two testes. They are hanged outside the body. One question arises that why the testes are hanged outside the body. So actually the main function of testes is to produce a sperm, and for the formation or for the production of a sperm there is the temperature required is less than 2 or 2.5 degrees Celsius than our normal body temperature. If our normal body temperature is considered as 37, definitely it is 35.5 or 36 degrees Celsius is required for the formation of a sperm. That's why both the testes are hanged outside the body. It is an important question. This dotted structure you can see here. This I have drawn with dotted structure. This is the skin of testis, skin of scrotum. Scrotum is a muscular bag inside which the testes are located. The scrotum is very deep in color. This part where I have written 10, okay, this is the 10th, and the name of the 10th part is gabernaculum. Name of the 10th part is gabernaculum. So what gabernaculum tell? Gabernaculum is the muscular structure which attaches the testis to the scrotum. Okay, now both testes, inside the testes there are, when we will study the anatomy of testis it will be so longer. So inside the testes we will study later, but here try to understand. These are the testes. Testes has the duty to produce a sperm. A sperm is collected by this part, that is epididymis. The number 9th structure is epididymis. I have written here, no, not number 9. This is epididymis, 8th number structure. 8 I have written. 8th structure is epididymis. So epididymis has the duty to collect the sperm. Now this sperm will pass through this vas deferens, and here both side from both the side the testis, the sperms are collected in this area. Okay, here both the sperms, both the vas differences are joined, and they pass through this urethral pathway. Here they are connected with seminal vesicle number 4. I have written here number 4, that is number 4 is seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle has the duty to produce certain chemicals which provide nourishment to the sperm. So now again from this area, it along with the sperm, the seminal fluid will pass through this side. This is the fifth number. I have written prostate gland. The prostate gland has the duty to secrete also certain chemicals. It also helps in the erection of penis. Now this part, number 6, I have written bulbourethral gland. It is also known as Copper's gland. Copper's gland, prostate gland, seminal vesicle. There are 3 glands associated with this one. In testis itself also function as a gland, but no problems. These 3 glands provide certain nourishment, provide certain chemicals to the sperm. Now by this after getting this seminal fluid from here, certain fluid from here and certain fluid from here, the sperm passes through this line. This is called urethra, or because this part of urethra is inside penis, it is called penile urethra or urethral penis. Now again, this is the small constriction, and thereafter it emerges from the urethral orifice. I have tried a lot of things a lot number of things should be explained in this video, but I will explain you one by one. Thank you.